Okay, so we just did some smoothies and some soup in our Instantpot Ace. Now I'm going to show you a very easy way to clean it. So I'm adding about 4 cups. It is dirty right now. I was just doing smoothies. I'm adding about 4 cups of water, warm water. So it gets you about halfway into the cup, and I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap. I'm going to lock it, and I'm going to push pulse a couple times. It takes a second or so it will beep. Okay, after our pulse cycle runs through, which is about a minute, we have some nice frothy soap in it. We're gonna dump it in our sink, of course. We're never gonna submerge this because remember, it does have a heating element right in there. And now I'm gonna add another 4 cups of water to rinse it. And I'm going to push pulse again. It takes a couple of seconds and it will beep at you, and it's going to run for about a minute. Now, after a minute, we're just going to dump the rest of the water. If you want, you can run it one more time to make sure that there's no more soap, but as I can see, it's completely clean inside, and we just did Oreo smoothie, so it was full of Oreo cookies. So we're gonna give it a quick dry. Also, all the way to the top of the lid is completely clean. As you can see, there's nothing on my rag. And that's how you clean the Instantpot Ace.